Okay, I have two damaged, kind of mutilated books here, and I'm now going to try to fix them. I'm going to start here because this one's fairly easy. It's really still intact, and it's sad looking at it because I didn't even remember this book. I didn't even know that it was missing. I had set them aside to fix them and then never did and never saw them again. But this is kind of coming apart here. We can see that this is broken, which usually happens when you're working in a book format, especially an altered book. It just gets to be too much for the spine. So I am going to I was going to just tape it. That's usually what I do, just masking tape and then paint over it. And I do have some book cloth tape, but my experience with that is that it also doesn't stay, it doesn't stay stuck. It eventually sort of wrinkles up and comes off. So I'm just gonna, I think I have some fabric glued on paper that I'm gonna try and do with this. I found some fabric that I had glued on paper, but it's kind of wrinkly, and I don't know if I feel like making a new one. It's not really long enough. I mean, I think it kind of looks nice. I don't know. I'm thinking about that. And then I have this this snake skin, which I think would look cool. This little snaky. And then I saw this thing that has like sticker paper on this. It's pretty thick suede. So this just seems pretty old, and the sticker paper, I'd probably have to re-glue this. But I think I'm going to try this, and even though I think it's too wrinkly to use this way, I'm going to just do it this way and kind of leave these guys open here. So I'm going to try to work with this, I think. I think I've made my decision. Okay, this is actually pretty sticky, so I'm just getting a little bit more glue on the edges. It's real good sticky. And gluing is always just pressure and time. Most of you know I love my glue sticks, and that's great for paper, but anything more substantial that you really need to stick well, I'm going to use, you know, a white glue, something that's going to take a while to dry and it's going to be sturdier. Okay, my glue stick could never stick this down. And I didn't measure it very well. This one's wider than this front side, but I also didn't want to hide my pirate captain here too much, so I made that a little bit less. And I'm not really worried about this and sticking to the spine or the pages in there. I think it's going to be okay. the best thing to do is going to just be to let this dry. I'm going to put some clips on it. Nope. Pressure. Pressure. Okay, I'm going to let this dry for a while.